let's discuss the best power supply for a PC build as I build the ultimate audio production PC. So here we are in my journey. I've got so much gear in front of me. I've got the CPU, I've got the motherboard, but I can't get any of that going without a power supply. I didn't realize that getting the power supply for a PC is a purchasing decision as well. You would have thought it's a power supply, just like an extension cord or any plug or any plug splitter. You know, why do you need to go nuts on a power supply? But as I soon discovered, the more you spend on a power supply, the more economical it is, so the better it's going to be on your power bill, and also the easier it is to fit into your whole system, and the less likely it is, I guess, to explode, seeing as that's the highest voltage part of your PC build. I finally settled, after looking at lots of other good products, including some stuff from Corsair, on the EVGA Supernova 750 G3. I kind of was thinking about the G2, but at the time I purchased, the G3 was cheaper, so I just simply bit the bullet and went for the G3. What to say about a power supply? It powers your computer. Fantastic. Let's open it. Now, what I do like about this that kind of makes it unique, if I can find the opening part of this case right here, is that all the cables inside are split out. So you've got obviously the plug. This is the plug that goes into the wall and into the power supply unit. But you've also got all your cables, so motherboard cables. You've got, I have no idea what that is, but I'm sure I'll find out on my journey. Everything's included and it's modular. So if I, for instance, am not having a lot of stuff plugged into my motherboard, I don't need to use all the cables and have them running around inside my PC, making it look all messy. I also like the way they've kind of packaged this. Lovely foam, very solid and nice. It's not polystyrene. It's kind of gentle and good, and it comes in a lovely EVGA bag, which really impresses me. And then you open it up and it's a power supply with a fan. That's it. It's a power supply. It'll do the job. Plug goes into there. And then you've got all these modular outputs. Other power supplies I was looking at, they just had one big cable coming out, so you get what you get, and that's it. With this, you can choose what you want. So we got stuff for CPU here, motherboard, VGA, SATA, which of course I know that's your hard disks, and more VGA. So plenty of power in this baby. 750 watts. I don't think I'm going to go over that in my build, but it's good to know if you're putting loads of power-hungry stuff in your PC, you may need to go higher in wattage. But that's it. That's the power supply, the EVGA Supernova 750 G3 for my ultimate audio PC build. Join me on the next episode where I discover I've got all this good stuff, but I can't actually switch my PC on until there's RAM inside it.